What's up, guys? Today I wanted to talk about when and how to merge with AI as a developer. So, AI is here, right? We all know it's been hyped for at least like 2 or 3 years by now. People talk about it a lot. A lot of people today in the market, and even not just for web development, just like other humans and other professions like writing or other creative stuff, a lot of people still don't even use AI. And guys, to tell you the truth, I never touched AI for web development until I got about 70% through building my course. I like literally never used AI for coding or for anything. I was one of those people that refused to adopt it and help it or get help from it because I wanted to fight it. I wanted to be one of those people that when smartphones came out, they still had a flip phone for 20 years. Like, I wanted to fight AI because I was like, it's ruining web development. Like, I believed all the BS and the hype. It's gonna automate all web developer jobs, blah blah blah. It's gonna automate everything. Now, it does help a ton, and that's what we're gonna talk about today: is how to merge with it and get it to help you to, man, you can like 10x your productivity, especially as just a single web developer, even as just a junior web developer that knows only the basics. Like, it's crazy, dude, like what AI can do. And so I've been using it like pretty regularly for at least maybe almost 3 months now. Probably just like 2 months, man. Not even that long. And wow, like it has made me I would still be working on the complete web developer course, like in the description if you want to check that out. But I would still be working on that course today. Like, I still wouldn't be done with it if I didn't eventually learn how to prompt and get help from AI. And when I did, it blew my mind. I was like, holy crap. Now, it's really good at helping code stuff, but the big but is you should not be like merging with AI and really using it a lot. And I'm on ChatGPT here. I have ChatGPT 5, and I think I paid for this. We'll get into that, how much I paid. ChatGPT is my favorite. It's what I've always used. I don't really mess with the other ones. But anyway, getting back on topic, you shouldn't be merging with AI and really getting a lot of coding ideas or code from it until you know the fundamentals of of web development. Because AI, while it's really great, it goes off the rails sometimes. Just goes off the rails. You're like, what the hell? Even with the newest ChatGPT 5, like, trust me, it makes mistakes. It goes off the rails. It is not perfect. Sometimes you'll ask it to and the more complicated your apps get, the more you really got to babysit it. So when you start getting into full stack and PHP, now just for front end with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, I've never really had big issues with it. But as your apps get more complicated, it does need more guiding, and you really need to be able to proofread the code that it's giving you. Like, that's a fact, because it'll take you in circles. It'll write some scripts that it's like, why the hell would you write it like that? Like, just getting help with some boilerplate code, stuff like that, like I do, it does go off the rail. So it is not perfect. And using AI for these months has really taught me that, like, as a web developer, like, we can chill. Like, it is not taking our jobs like that. It is not going to automate web development, not anytime soon. Because like I said, it goes off the rails a lot. And if you don't have the technical knowledge to proofread what it's giving you and to give it the correct prompts using technical language that you will need, it's not going to give you what you want. Like, you still have to be a competent web developer, or at least a junior web developer that has a strong understanding of the web development foundations to really get the most out of ChatGPT. But yes, it does 10 times your effort. Now, the good news for you, as maybe you're watching this channel as like a new or aspiring developer, once you learn the basics, the fundamentals, as I said, you no longer need really a senior or mid-level web developer. Back in the day, you kind of had to get a job at a company to really learn web development and really understand stuff, because you kind of had to work almost as an apprentice under senior and mid-level developers so they could help you along when you had questions. Those days I think that's pretty much dead, man. Once you understand stuff, the basics, the fundamentals, the sky is the limit, and that should be exciting for you. You don't need a company to give you a job anymore to be kind of like a rock star developer. Like I said, when you know the foundations, this thing is your guide. This is like It's kind of like an Iron Man. If you guys saw like the first couple Iron Man movies that were actually good, the Robert Downey Jr. ones, how he has that little AI assistant, whoever that he always talks to, and like whatever. Like it's kind of like that. Like you get your own little personal assistant. And if you pay for the pro, it's only like $20 a month. And this personal assistant knows code really well. And not just code, guys. Me creating I just created the practicalwebdev.com website. I'm still working on it, but man, I've got a lot of content on here already. Again, a lot of help from AI, and I had to steer it because even with writing copy, like writing the about page copy and stuff like that, it'll get you rolling with some ideas, but then, you have to use your own good skills in there to really polish it up. Dude, I've created like this whole website, multiple pages. I think I've been working on it for 2 days or less with an email newsletter, and I just made a new I haven't done this page yet. I'm going to be doing this for all the products that you see. You guys can see my setup. But I just made a new free web developer roadmap completely for free. All you have to do is provide your email and it gets sent to you. Check that in the description as well. Just made that. Just released it. First video I'm going to promote this on. If you want the complete practical web developer roadmap 100% for free, it's almost like a mini ebook. It's got step-by-step instructions on what you should learn, how you should learn it, and then it even has a section of the pitfalls to avoid as a new developer, which will also save you a ton of time. If you're interested in that, check the link in the description, okay? You'll find it. Sign up for the newsletter. And you'll get also, once you're on there, if you just want to sign up, I'm going to be sending out exclusive email newsletter content once a month. I'm not going to spam you, but once a month you're going to get exclusive content from the channel if you're interested in that. But I've done all of this work, which would have taken me at least a week, in like 2 days now. Like, this is a lot of work, man. I got like 18, 19 posts already. The contact page, the about page, which is great, an email lead magnet to help get people to sign up. Again, AI is amazing, but you don't want to be merging with it, at least in a coding sense, until you've got your fundamentals. If you want to learn your fundamentals, shameless plug, of course, we've got the complete web developer course. You can find that link in the description as well. If you click buy now on the landing page, you can see a free preview of the whole curriculum, 100% project-based learning, short videos. We learn how the internet works all the way up to full stack PHP development, CSS, JavaScript. We build a ton of projects to get you going as a web developer. And again, the good news with AI is once you're done with this course, okay, you'll now know enough. Even as you've just finished the course, that's all you've really coded in your life. Now that AI is here, you don't have to pay me anymore. You can go your own way. Start building stuff. When you need help, when you need AI to explain code to you, it can do it. When you need more explanation, you can copy paste a piece of code and you can say, hey, what exactly is this code doing? Like there was some code, what was it, dude? I needed some explanation on this and I was building that full stack video I just released before here. We built a PHP full stack to do app. I saw some code engine InnoDB, so I asked it like, what the hell does this mean basically? And you can see the detailed answer that I got and I learned something new. That is the power of AI, guys. So it's good news. AI is here to help. Do not be afraid of it, okay? And right now, if you're adopting, as soon as you merge with AI, most of the marketplace, most average humans, they don't even use AI still. So you're still going to be, and it's not going to be that way for a while. I would say you probably have 3 to 5 years of an advantage on people who will still not use AI, maybe even longer, and you'll be working 10 times better than them, more efficient, and a lot of people have not adopted it yet, and they won't for a while. So now is the time, these next couple of years, especially if you're going to be a new developer, to go ahead and adopt it and faster. Learn the fundamentals, adopt AI. You will get so much more work done. You'll make so much more money. You will be years ahead of your competition. So you need to do that after you learn your fundamentals. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.